Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This is a twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, lightweight sport bike. Beautiful metallic blue in color. We got a great price on this one, just $19.99. It's got a little bit of road rash on the other side, I'll show you. Great sounding Masari racing silencer pipe. Beautiful chrome finish. See a little bit of road rash, just for full disclosure. It's been touched up with an off color. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. Just 17,500 miles. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 great used